Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install 100% save game GTA 5. I show you guys how to do it. All you have to do is just close the game, press the escape key and go to game and select the quit game option and select option and select yes, and then open up Chrome and search 100% save game GTA 5. Select the first site, select the download option, select the download again. After the download done, just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract and double click on the folder and copy this both files guys, BAK file and file. Just right click and copy these both files and then go to this PC local disk C and users folder. Double click on username folder. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here is your username and then double click on it. And now select the view option and select show and select this hidden items option, check mark it, and then you can able to see app data folder. Double click on it, double click on the roaming folder, and now double click on the Goldberg Socialberg EMU saves. Just double click and GT5 random numbers and paste the files we copied, and then just close stuff here everything and open the game. Now select the story mode. Now as you can see, we are in the place where we can go anywhere. This is not the mission, we skipped all the missions. As you can see, this is asking you to overwrite the data of the current slot of the current game process. Select the yes option and now you can go anywhere you want. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.